How to buy Visa gift cards online. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily buy a Visa gift card online. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for a vanilla gift card. And here it will show you an option of this website. You can directly head over to this URL, vanillagift.com. Here you can buy different kinds of Visa gift cards and e-gift cards. So just tap on this link and it will take you to this website. And once you land on the website, you have different options that you can choose from. Or you can tap on the menu icon at the top left. And here you have an option to buy gift cards. So just tap on this drop down and then choose what kind of gift card you want to buy. You can also buy e-gift cards and many more options. So just tap on the gift card that you want to purchase. For example, if I just tap on this card right here, I'm just going to tap on it. And then from here, you can choose the value of the card. It starts from $10 all the way up to $500. You can also enter other amounts. So let's say if I just choose $50, you can either gift this on the mail, it will be sent as a plastic gift card, or you can just email the gift card to the recipient, which will provide the card number on their email. So just type in the recipient's email. I'm just going to enter my own email right here and re-enter the email to confirm. And then you can choose the quantity, and if you want, you can also add a gift message. So this is optional. So once you do that, you can enter your custom message here and then tap on add to cart and check out. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.